important. Maximum. Now, in suppose it's in the binary, uh, have to it's converted binary to now see the step number one have to one's complement of subtrahend and then add with minus. Do you know which one is subtrahend? Okay, what you need have to the one's complement just invert it, right? But this one it will be subtrahend is that would be 1 correct. Sorry, that would be 0 1 1 1 correct. This one is the subtrahend and this one is the minus. Need to take one's complement of the subtrahend, that is 1, out it as 1. Now we need to add it with minus and 1 1 0 1. Now add it and final value. In this case 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 carry again will have 1 is right. Don't consider the carry. Carry now see the carry is 1, right? Now tell me out up to down up to. If we got carry, have to add that carry to the existing number. Don't get carry, then we don't. After addition, get this number. अब इसको now unit decimal and then cross check it. -7. It should also be equal to 6. If it is equal to 6, our answer is correct, right? Now see, one have 1 0 1 0 1. It's in binary 1. Now we need ones comp, right? That would be, yeah, that question. Now it's the first take the ones comp, right? Then we add the minus, add this number that 1. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 carry. Again 1 plus 1 1 carry. 1 plus 1 1 carry 1, right? Then 1 in this case. Now it does not carry. So basically is equal will now take the ones complement resultant does not carry 1. Now again we need the ones complement result. That would be this is our final, as you can see over there.